Hey everybody, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to update n8n in Docker, and this is going to be pretty easy. So you can see currently I'm on n8n, and to basically update it on Docker we have a couple of commands or prompts here. So you can see first of all we are going to be locating the Docker containers using the docker ps command, and make sure you put that correctly into your console. And once you do that, you should see carry reverse proxy and n8n container, and you can see we can copy these set of commands as well. So all goes like this. And yeah, so after that we are going to be locating the volume data. So once we locate that, we're going to be pasting this particular command there as well. So basically all these are going to be working together to combine up and update your n8n in Docker easily. So yeah, that is going to be a basic method. Now you can see if you want to download the n8n latest, you're going to be using a set of different commands here as well, as you can see on your screen. And finally you will be able to run using this particular command, and it should be uh, updated. So if this is gonna be helping you guys out, you can subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share with your friends as well. We are regularly uploading this kind of videos, by the way. And yeah, so that is gonna be it, and see you guys around in the next video.